So without further ado, let's start our chef class today.
We're going from having no enrichment sometimes after school to now we're having a lot. So we're trying to get the kids involved, and honestly, food is like the way to go. Food really calls to them.
So mac and cheese is typically a casserole type dish. Our purpose is to introduce cooking to kids and show them that cooking can be fun, nutritious, and beneficial to them.
It's pretty good. I never really had veggies in my macaroni, but it's pretty good.
Tastes good. I love the energy, I love the people, I love the communication, and I just love how we get to learn how to cook.